Hi sir, what's your perfect date?
Para sa akin, itabi yung telephone and focus on each other, magkaroon ng deep conversation, play a game, or simply enjoy each other company.
Hi Faye, what's your perfect date?
Online lang.
What's your perfect date?
Simple lang. Cuddling while watching with a home cooked meal.
What's your perfect date?
Perfect date, hindi naman kailangang bongga, pero yung thoughtfulness and yung presence niya yung importante ito. Then, okay na sa akin yung maglalakad lang kami somewhere or like yung sinusundo niya ako from work.
What's your perfect date?
Yung lagi kong hinahawakan at saka hinihilas. Yung motor ko.
What's your perfect date?
Sa sementeryo para malaman niya na patay ako sa kanya.